So I'm gonna try to remove this oil pump and replace it with this oil delete plug. Hopefully it will fit. It's for a Honda Dio ZX or something like that. So hopefully it will fit. I need to remove this bolt. I believe maybe I need to remove this assembly also, I guess. So let's see if we can get this off. So will there be oil here? Probably. So I need to plug this with a screw, shorten it or something. Is it crap on it? A lot of crap, maybe. I think I need to it starts running really. So let's check with a. It's a lot of crap there, right? So this engine has been running without the air box correctly installed. So I think I need to split the case and clean it or something like that. Yeah. I'm not sure why it was so loose. Yeah, can we see something? I want your obsession, every affection for man. And if you define me, you won't survive me, you'll be there. 'Cause I am the giant, I am the diamond, not a man. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you. Right. Oh, baby, is the game over? Wonder if I ever get it out. So then I can short a screw here and put a big washer all over it. Tighten it down a bit. Have to find a shorter one. Should be M6. Okay, so that's about it. See if I finish it with a washer or not, the video. So I try to keep it clean, so we see if something leaks. Have to remove this if I want to clean this, of course. But yeah, looks better now, right? Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. So this is another variant, homemade style. Don't know if it's leaking or not. It was like this when I bought it. So that's an alternative, or you can just plug the oil plug, but mine was leaking. Need a shorter one. Now it won't leak at least. So something like this. Could shorten the screw there and so on. I took the original screw there, so I know where I have it. So taking a look at this oil pump, you see that something has happened here. It has been grinding away here for some reason. Strange. Anyway, this, you have the crankshaft going here. You got some that moving when this is turning, then this turn, and you can move a bit also, a bit. Yeah.